Hi, welcome back to Roland's YouTube channel. And While it looks I'm at the beach again, I wish I was at the beach, but anyway, I love this background. Anyway, today's video is going to be on how to sell on Craigslist, and I hope this is very useful. I used it a lot, and my prior video was about how to search on Craigslist. This one's going to be about how to sell on Craigslist. So the first thing I want to show you is this is how you're when you get on your Craigslist page, and again, you do your searches. And if you want to then sell something, you have to have an account. So the first thing is you hit my account, and it'll take you to the screen. And if you had an account, you would log in and put in your password. With usually your login would be like an email address and a password that you create. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and I have a dummy account, and I call it, let's see here, this one right here. So, okay, so on this one here, um, it's a Roland 60 Fire, and we're gonna hit this create. All right, and what it does, it sends an email to the account, and I'll open up the account, and here is the link that they want to take you to. All right, when they send you this email, you click on the link that they send you, and you go in and put in this case they say new, but it's basically a new password, and you retype it. Okay, and then it'll tell you what the strength is, and after that they'll send you an email letting you know that you have been approved. All right, so once you do that, I'm going to take an example. All right, hold on a second, and let me close a couple of these windows real quick. All right, let me see what this one is right here. So I'm going to open up a new window, and it will be here, Craigslist. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and type my account. Hold on, let me log in. So anyway, I go into here to where it's my account. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a password and so forth. And hold on a second, and we'll do that. Hold on. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see, this is my account page. I've posted other things before, but before we do this, what I want to show you is that using my iPhone. All right, hope you can see it here. Sorry if you can't see it too well. All right, tricky with this display. Anyway, I took some pictures of a chair that I want to sell and post on Craigslist, just as an example. But again, nothing fancy. So then what I did is on my iPhone, I went ahead and emailed me those photos. Okay, so I'm going to come over here. All right, this case, I see the chairs, and what I do here is I download it, and I download it. Okay. Now I want to show you that, but nothing fancy. But essentially, what happens is that these are going to go to your normally to a default to your download folder. Okay. So now I go back on my Crushers account. I go and where it says Orange County, and I hit go. All right. Then I come down to, let's see here, for sale by owner, and then I pick a category. It can be any category you choose. There's when they do a search, they're still going to find it pretty much on any category. But you would like to kind of break it up into the right category in case someone does some filtering. So, like in this case, let's go and put it under furniture. All right. So I do furniture. It brings this up, and let's just say bar stool. Okay. That's not. Did I spell it right? Bar stool. Right. Yeah, that's it. In good shape. All right. And for this exercise, I think it's really worth all the money. So I'm going to say it's $1,000. I know it's not, but I'm just kidding. Then a neighborhood you can put down like I do, something close. All right. All right. Now what does it say? Oh, I hit enter. So it gave me an error because I haven't finished it. So let's put down here, and then said we'll be saying description of uh, brown bar stool for sale in very good condition. Let's see here. I don't know how much to say. Okay, let's say like 32 inches tall and used very little. Again, anything you want to put. Now, I would put down here most likely some information about asking $1,000 or best offer. And then I like to put a message. And one of the message I'll put down, like for example, you know, call me anytime after 9 a.m. Okay. Now I say call me, but in this case, I don't really like putting phone numbers. Okay. But you can, but let's say you do. All right. Let's put a phone number here. And what I do is, and this is not a real phone number, but one of the things that I do is to try to eliminate some of the bots. They call them these things. I put something like 7 1. Sorry, let's go back. 7 1 4. Okay, and then let's see here. 5 4 3 9. Now, the reason I do that, okay, is again, this is just but I don't put the right number, okay, and you could put the area code, whatever you want. But again, the reason you do that, put some words so that this way, no automatic robots just get to you, okay. Then after that, you scroll over to continue. Some more required. What are they asking for? Oh, condition. It'll tell you. Again, it's like new. All right, now hit continue. I don't want anything else as far as area. I'm not going to put an address. Add images. So now I go to images. I go to downloads. There's my 2 images for today. All right. And put the first one. All right. Add another image. All right. Okay. We've got 2 photos in there. I hit done. Get ready. I look at it again. If I have to edit it, I can. And then I hit publish. And folks, that's as easy as it is to sell on Craigslist. I don't want to make too long of a video because there really is no meat to it. You can post as many things as you want. Again, there are things that do cost money. So let's go back to an original Craigslist ad so I can show you again. If you want to sell something, it's free. You can put as many things as you want, different categories. If you want to post a service, again, like I talked to earlier, I think the fee is $5. If you want to post a job, I think it's like $45. And then you can put housing and community. So again, there's a lot to Craigslist. I don't think I can make it much more complicated because I don't need to. It's pretty simple to do. And I've used this many times. And again, purchased a lot and also sold a lot. So I hope you enjoy the video. And again, please hit that subscribe button and followed by the bell so you get some notifications when I get some other videos posted. And if you want to see anything specific on a topic that I have not done, hey, please feel free to send me a comment or email me. It'll be on the description below. God bless and thanks for watching. All right, hold on. I'm gonna end this recording.